How to apply for UK ETA on your phone. Go to the App Store, search for UK ETA and download the app. Open the app, scroll to the right and click on Continue. As you can see, it will cost you £16 to apply. Let's click on Start Now. Click Agree and Continue. Now select which country are you applying from. In my case, it is Finland. Click Continue. What email address do you want to use to receive your ETA decision? Type in your preferred email address and click Continue. Next, it will send you a 6-digit code to your email. So go to your email, copy that, and paste it here. Click Continue. Next question is, what is your phone number? So choose your country code and type in your phone number. Once you're done, click Continue. Now, it's going to ask you, does your passport have a biometric chip? If you do, click on Yes. Next, it's going to ask you to take a photo of your passport. So, take the photo, simply open your passport to the personal details page and place it on a flat surface. Hold your phone above your passport, ready to take a photo. So, let's click on Take Photo. The photo should be taken automatically. And once you're happy with the photo, simply click on Use this photo. You can also take another photo if it's blurry. I'm going to click Use this photo. Next, it's going to ask you to access the chip in your passport. So what you need to do is you need to close your passport and remove any cases you have on the phone or your passport before you continue. Put the top of the phone halfway down your passport. So let's click on Continue. As you can see, my phone is ready to scan my passport. Now I will simply place it right here. Keep the phone still and we are ready. Once your chip has been scanned, it's going to say Access Chip Completed. Click OK. Next, it's going to ask you to scan your face with your phone's camera. So click on Scan Face. You got to put your face in the oval. Move closer. Scan face completed. Now it's going to ask you to take another photo. Let's click on Continue. And it's asking us to make sure that we have a plain light background. So I'm going to make sure that I stand next to a wall. Click on Next, and I'm going to click on Use Camera. Place your head in the oval and snap a photo. It says that the photo meets the requirements, so I'll click on Use this photo. Next, it's going to ask you to fill out your home address, so fill it out. Next, it's going to ask you to add your nationalities if you have more than one. Next, it's going to ask you, do you have a job? I'm going to say yes, I have a job, and write that I'm an entrepreneur. Next question, have you ever had a criminal conviction? I have never had a criminal conviction. Click Continue. Next question, have you ever been supported or been suspected or convicted of war crimes, terrorism, or extremism? No. Continue. Now you have the option to check your answers before you hit Continue. Last page is a declaration, so click Continue to Payments. As you can see, my application will cost €19, so I will click Continue to Payments. And as you can see, I can pay either with Apple Pay or by card. I'm going to select Pay with Apple Pay. And after the payment, your application has been submitted. You will now need to allow up to 3 working days, Monday to Friday, to get a decision, but it may arrive much sooner. And this is how you apply for a UK ETA.